Okay. Can't really see myself out here, so. It's about 6:30. It's still snowing. They're saying on the Weather Channel we can get 14 to 16 inches. Or not the Weather Channel, it was Channel 13 News. 14 to 16 overnight. We probably got another 3 inches since 4. Can't really see anything as far as myself goes. It's dark now, but the light from all the lights is shining off the ground, bouncing back, so it does look like it's light out here. Nothing major's happened. 5 o'clock, nothing really happened. It did get a little bit heavy for a while, then it slowed down, so that's about it. You can see the snow.